Welcome. My name is Odile Faludi and I'm a starting customer conversation specialist. A myth we often hear is that people who are introverted cannot cold call. Generally speaking, people who are introverted are great listeners. And that's a really important part of being a wonderful communicator. The salespeople who speak too much generally kill the conversation a few words after saying hello. They simply won't shut up. They don't get to the point quick enough. Introverted people tend to be very thoughtful in their approach. They are usually well received when initiating client conversations. So please don't be put off picking up the phone and making calls to your prospects just because you're shy. Just shine with every call you make. So if you'd like to find out more tips, feel free to follow me on LinkedIn or on Twitter @Odile Faludi.